Hello guys and welcome to another week's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a business consulting website. So after creating your account on wix.com, you head to My Sites and then create new site. Now we just need to fill up the information for our website. Like here, consultant. Consultant site coming soon. Consulting landing page, legal consulting agency. So let's continue to see what do we have. Blogger, film, we have consultant, business management consultant, and many others. So after choosing, click on next. Yeah, I think I skipped something by clicking on next twice. Or this is how to create your business consulting website. So Wix.com editor varies on depending on what are you creating. If you are creating a fitness website, he will show you how. An online store, he will tell you to follow the steps to create an online store. And now for a consulting business, here are the steps. So let's start. What is your name? What's the name of your business? So what's the business address? You need an address on the websites. Next, default working hours. Next, services. Start adding services. What does your business management consultant do? One-on-one professional coaching, marketing strategy session. We have listing appointments and others. So let's choose listing appointments. Next, add your staff. Let's clean know who they can book with and more. So you need a valid email address, so I will just create one. So you can name your first staff. Manager. And click on next or add new staffs. What else do you want to do with your business? You can offer visual sessions, add your Google or Apple or Outlook calendar, send automated email and SMS reminders to your client, accept online payments, manage on the go the Wix owner app, and continue to dashboard. Now we just have to create your template and link it to a domain and your website will be ready. And while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. So here we went back to the website dashboard. You can connect to a custom domain here. You can set your working hours, the easiest step for now, and set hours depending on your business hours. You can set up a payment methods, design your website. That's the most important step and add to the custom domain. So, and the last step is get found on Google by your domain. If you connect it to a domain, you will get you will be founded on Google, and you can choose to add ads, Instagram or Facebook or TikTok ads, so people can find you easily. So the payment method is really easy. You click setup payments, you add your PayPal account or your credit card to the website so people can pay you directly online. So here we have to design our website. We have been directed to the wix.com website builder. So you can create your own website manually, choose a template and edit it, or you can just let Wix create a website for you. So yeah, first you fill up with your informations, then you wait for Wix to do the next step. Now we are just waiting. So the Wix editor website take long time because he is creating your website from zero. So here you put your logo, the name of your business, the email, addresses, the phone number, and link it to social accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or others. And click on next. Then you pick a theme you like, the breeze, the clay, the humble, the high rise, diffuse, and the classic. And of course, half of you will be choosing the classic theme. Keep it simple. People now don't like colors and other things. Simple means fancy. And we wait again. Of course, I have to remind you that while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Because I don't like to stay silent while waiting. And I can't pause the video for some troubles. So, yes, I have to pause the video because Wix editor is not responding. I'll fix the problem and see you in few minutes.